We're really lucky to hear that someone is so excited about our top-level service. Here's a great 5-star review that keeps us motivated to do even better every single day. Take a look. This is a powerful testament to our dedicated team effort that always ensures a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly pay attention to everyone's needs and put them first each and every time. And the feedback keeps coming in to prove it. We love knowing the people we serve consider us the best company to do business with. We would love the opportunity to make you happy too. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. Contact us soon. We look forward to working with you.